Hakka 风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi there, I am Joseph Lin, and here comes another Hakka song on ICRT. But let me ask you a question first. Have you ever taken a moment to closely observe the world around you, noticing the people who come and go in your life? Well, as the river of time flows and our surroundings are constantly reshaped by new experiences, it's through photography that we capture and preserve these fleeting, beautiful moments. And here comes a song by Zoomie-翕相 called 翕相, which means photograph, and she artfully expresses this sentiment through music, singing about the cherished snapshots of life that we hold dear in our hearts. Let's take a listen.
Tuyệt vời bóng ta kỳ cái miên có ta phi làm hạnh phúc chỉ instead and I'm owning yung song kỳ lưu nhiên and when I miss you there's nothing left and cái故事với yêu những ký tên perhaps Instagram thì bài hiếp xuống hạnh hệ sao nè ôi sợ ôi kêu đúng sự em tên cô bài hiếp xuống hệ kỳ tô nhẹ và hệ mà nhìn cho你yêu偏目注定听困但几个面小心红给你小小爱
你有仔细观察过生活周遭往来的人们吗？当时间河流不断的流失，生活环境被新事物来取代，唯有拍照 翕相才能够记录，还有摄取生活的美好瞬间。柔米这首歌呢，是他全新客语歌曲翕相，将这种体悟呢用音乐记录下来，唱出用心感受到每一幅人生写照。Wow, what a beautiful song about taking photographs in your life by Zoomie-翕相. My name is Joseph Lin. Hope you enjoyed that Hakka song, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.